Here we go again.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, that's not doable. The Sunday fun run. Does that look like I'm having fun? It's about minus 24 and a half. Still cold. For very long, so I better go. Falling in holes. Wow, this winter has been a doozy. Holy cow. From minus 50 temperatures to tons of snow that will never end. All I do is shovel snow, plow my driveway, haul wood, plow my driveway, shovel snow, clear off shelters, try and run the dogs, get stuck in the snow, dig myself out, repeat 1,000 times every day. Best thing about it is that we have 2 more months of winter at least to go. It's only the beginning of February, and winter here can go till, it'll definitely be till the end of March. Temperatures won't start getting warm until April. Snow will come in April. Our snow isn't gone until May, so that's a long time, but at least it starts getting warmer in April. So needless to say, it's been busy. It's been challenging. Very challenging. I've been up here over 20 years. I've been living the cabin lifestyle for like 23 years now. In this place about 15 years, and holy cow, this has been one of the busiest, most challenging winters I've ever had. Just so much work to do. The cold to deal with is one thing. We had lots of cold in the past and, you know, pretty good durations of like 40 below, long spells that lasted a while. But we didn't have the snow that we have now. So on top of dealing with all the freaking cold, you're dealing with just taking care of the snow. And sometimes it's, you know, 30 below and I have to clear the driveway or clear up the shelters. But for the most part, it does warm up and I get a few days of a reprieve to get that stuff done. I think I'm really getting sick of shoveling this year. But, you know, the good thing about it is when spring and summer arrives, you are so happy it's here because of the tough winter you've had to deal with, that I know for me, I'm just happy to not to have to deal with snow anymore. I will take all the mosquitoes and sometimes the heat, which is not heat to most people, you know, 25 degrees Celsius. But I'll take that, and bears wandering around the neighborhood, and whatever else. I'll take that over the snow because it's been a long 8 months by the time we get to summer. But anyways, hope you enjoy this week's little adventure of not dealing with snow for the first bit, packing some trails, doing some snowshoeing. That's been fun. It's been my favorite thing to do this winter. And ripping around with the dogs in the quad and doing some more shoveling. That is really what I do. Welcome to my life. Anywho. Going crazy. All right, today's snowshoeing adventure with Heather. We are going to tackle the trail to the creek and beyond. There it is right there. I haven't been on it for, a really long time. So I have no idea how much of a slog it'll be. So we'll find out. And it is just days before the cold snap comes. It's supposed to be like minus 39 tonight or tomorrow.
Yeah.
So that'll be fun. So if we do this now, it's going to set up so nicely in the hard, cold weather. No, not in the cold. That's too cold. It's only about minus 13 today, so it's perfect. Well, lap one. You guys are leading the way. Whew. That. There's the trail. Look at that. Woo! Let's get back here. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. Good job, Heather. Now we just got to do the trail back. The dogs are bored. We can't wait till it gets cold. The cold has returned. Minus 31 this morning. Went from minus 15 last night. Dropped 15 degrees. Wow. Oh, my wood is getting snowed on. I better bring that up. Look at that. There is a snowfall warning. Hey, what is it? What day is it? Tuesday night, February 1st. It is... Wow, I'm really echoing. So quiet out here. And I'm out here yelling like a lunatic, talking to a camera. Anywho, hey Howler, what's up? As you can see, it's snowing. There is a snowfall warning actually in town. I am outside of town quite a ways, so I'm hoping I don't get it, but it's not shaping up to be like no snow. So there's that. I have a feeling I'm gonna get a dump of snow, and man, the trails that Heather and I just packed, I gotta get on those tomorrow, like right away. So yeah, I will let you know how much we get in the morning. But you can see there's a, starting already. Dog tracks are making prints. There's Pooh Bear, refusing to come in. It's only about minus 24 out. We had a really cold night last night. And then it's warmed up a little bit. So warm snap is over. Here comes Pooh Bear. She's coming to the outhouse with me. Wow, look at all the snow in the shed already. There's Lewis over there. Well, the snowstorm turned out to be only a couple inches of snow, so that's good. My thumbs up in my beaver mitts. Yeah, just out here with the second group of dogs doing our run, and it's feeling a bit chillier. So it dropped to minus 39 the other night, and then last night it was, I think, about 25 below, and then it warmed up to like minus 12 this afternoon. It felt super awesome. It was sunny out. Look at, there's not many, well, now there's clouds, but before there wasn't too many clouds. Hello, sun. And what else was I saying? Oh, and then today, and then when I came out tonight after work, the temperature dropped, and with that sun going down, it's getting chillier. It feels really cold right now. This is the second run, so it's like about 5 kilometers on the quad with the dog. So Got up my trail A-OK, the trail that I packed with the snowshoes. I can do the whole loop now, so that is so awesome. So worth it. I'm going to go packing some more trails so it can give us more options on where to go. But not for a while because, well, maybe I'll go tomorrow actually. We'll see. So they are ready. Oh, let's not watch that. Taking a big dump. So we are going to go for a run. Another snowfall warning. Like this is like the 10th of the year, I think. In town, they're predicted to get like a foot of snow in the next 24 hours. Here, I don't have the warnings out here, but you never know. It's starting to snow slightly. So I am predicted to get about 10 centimeters, 5 to 10 centimeters in this area. But you never know. Sometimes I get town weather. So I have a dilemma. I have to go out and pack down those new trails that Heather and I packed before the new snow comes and makes it more difficult. So I have no choice. I was actually going to stay in today because it's about 23 below out. It's not super warm and it's cold sitting on the quad, but I got to get to those trails. I'm thinking it should be set up pretty good and I shouldn't have a problem getting stuck, but you know, I will bring my trusty shovel and bring you along to see if I succeed. And hopefully I do, because I don't feel like digging out right now. Well, that's working nicely. New trail, Heather, that we packed. Look at that, I made it down the first little bit. There's the start over there. And I made down here. Woohoo! We rock! Okay, ready? This is a problem. Okay. Got my axe. Gotta do some chopping. Okay, so here's the creek. Dang, it's glaciered over. Shoot, which means I have to go through here instead of here because now I'm getting that slope, which is a bit of a pain. It's a little slushy, but not bad. There's the quad. Let's just check this out. Oh, it's pretty slushy in there. Shoot. With a dog print. It's always under snow. Oh, it's just gonna be water under there. So that's not good. Shoot. Crap. That is a problem. I don't know what it's like over there. Oh, shoot, yeah. Shit. Yep. Okay, that's not doable. Dang it! Oh, this was so good when we were here packing trails. Can't believe it. It's that warm weather mixed with all the freaking snow. Shoot! That really sucks. I don't trust going across this right now. Ah! Oh, this is so frustrating. I made it so far. It was going good, but I just can't take the risk of getting caught in that. It's already like a foot deep right there where I stepped, and I don't know how much deep it is further on. It's probably not too bad out in the middle because that's open and it's probably frozen over, but it's not worth getting stuck and getting the quad all iced up. Oh well, at least we got a little down here to the turnaround, and luckily Heather and I stomped out a little turnaround spot there in case I couldn't get across the creek one day. So let's hope that works. Sometimes the water flows over here, so I don't know what to expect. It's pretty hard. Feels like snow. Yeah. Awesome. No overflow over here. Woohoo! Woo, snow dance! No water dance. So now I'm gonna fix this little problematic spot in the trail. I ran into that tree. It's a little bit in the way, you can see, and I slid off the trail and got stuck, but not too badly. So now I'm just gonna cut the tree and shovel this out a little bit. My sheds are getting snowy again. All right, well, that was quite the snowstorm last night. We actually got about 5-6 inches of snow. So enough to make my trails a little bit annoying on the quad today, but I just got up the hill after doing that yesterday, or the last couple of days for the first time. And now after the new snowfall, I got up there okay. So that's good. The snowshoeing paid off. Awesome. It's finally cleared up. It's about 5:30 and it stopped snowing finally. It was snowing all night and all day. And now it's beautiful. It's about -16 out. And tomorrow and over the next few days, it's actually going up to -6 Celsius and above zero, or around zero. Actually, Whitehorse has a chance of showers, like rain showers, in the next few days. So that'll be crazy because they just got like a foot of snow in town and the roads are horrible. And now if it rains, it's going to be a bloody nightmare. So we're hoping that doesn't happen. And it may not, because it's kind of hovering around zero. I think it was predicted to go up to +6, but I think that's gone down a little bit. So that would be good. But anyway, so I'm just out on a Friday night, getting the dogs out, getting some exercise, getting some fresh air, and before I do shoveling. This weekend will be nothing but, what else? Clearing snow and plowing. But the warmer weather will make it a lot more pleasant. So stay tuned for that. This is really all I do. My hand's getting cold. That wind is a little chilly. Oh, wow. I can really feel that wind. I love when they just sit there. These are the, I like to refer to them as the shining twins, because they often sit like side by side, staring at me like a bunch of psychos. Anyways, should we get running? We get going? Psycho twins? Well, I am back at it. Actually quite a bit of snow, probably as big as our last dump. So I don't know how much wider I'm going to be able to make it. I think I can do okay today, but I might have to get the guy with the plow back, with the tractor, the big tractor, who can zip down here a million miles an hour compared to me and this thing. But hey, the weather has warmed up. It has gone, what was it yesterday, minus 16? Now it's minus 3. It's actually pretty warm out. So we are in a warm snap again. It's just up and down, and then snow, and then no snow, and then sun, and then no sun. More no sun than sun, but still. I've done one pass up and back, and now I'm gonna keep at it. Don't I look excited?
Sometimes it feels like I'm all alone.